Now, former Indiana police chief making his first court appearance after he was arrested on more than a dozen felony counts, including bribery and fraud.
So our Candace Hare has been looking into the allegations against him for months now. He was just in the courtroom, and she joins us now live with the latest. Candace.
Yes, Trish and Megan, we got out of the courtroom just minutes ago, and while cameras were not allowed to record in there, I can tell you that Harlis Steven Hoover, 37-year-old former chief over in Rising Sun, he came into the courtroom. He was very quiet, showed little emotion as the judge went through those 17 felony counts against him, which included theft as well as fraud. He seemed to be very calm. He had his head down throughout as his bond was set, $10,000 cash, $20,000 cash or surety. He also is being ordered to give up anything that denotes himself as a Rising Sun police officer, including his uniforms. And we were told in the courtroom that he is currently being held in isolation because of his status in law enforcement.
Harlis Steven Hoover Jr. in court for the first time since his arrest on 17 felony counts, including bribery, fraud, theft, and ghost employment. Hoover served as the Rising Sun Police Department's chief since May of last year, according to court records, which show he is accused of defrauding multiple people out of thousands of dollars for the purchase of a '69 Chevy Camaro, a new HVAC system, and even an ambulance. Hoover is further accused of not working while on the clock as the Rising Sun police chief on multiple occasions, including an instance in July where investigators allege Hoover was out playing golf instead. In September, the Fox 19 Now Investigates team began requesting public records related to Hoover's time with the police department. The portion of our request that was fulfilled reveals additional money troubles for Hoover, including a 2020 court notice of wage garnishment proceedings in connection with unpaid credit card debt. Records we obtained from the city of Rising Sun show the mayor and city attorney were informed of the allegations made against Hoover in July, and that he voluntarily agreed to be placed on paid administrative leave beginning on August 1st. The agreement, which Hoover appears to have signed on July 31st, notes that if Hoover is exonerated in the criminal cause of action, either by acquittal or dismissal, any administrative leave status shall end, and Lieutenant Steven Hoover shall return to work in his current rank without prejudice.
And now I can tell you that I have reached out to Rising Sun city officials to get clarification on his current employment status. As the last we heard from them, he is on that paid administrative leave. I can tell you that his 17 counts, they are a mixture of level 5 and level 6 penalties. A maximum sentence for a level 5 penalty is 6 years in prison. For a level 6 felony, the maximum prison sentence is 2.5 years in prison. He is next scheduled to appear in court in December. From Dearborn County, Candace Hare, Fox 19 Now.